So Doogee has announced the Fire 3 series. The series, as opposed to the Fire 6 series, consists of super cheap and compact rugged devices. And the rugged devices in the series includes the Fire 3, the Fire 3 Pro, and the Fire 3 Ultra. In this video, we'll explore the top features of the Fire 3 Ultra because it is the best. And the device, the Fire 3 Ultra, is currently on Doogee's official store. It costs about $250, so as you can see, it's very cheap. Anyway, let's quickly explore the top features of the Fire 3 Ultra. So the Fire 3 Ultra is 17.8mm thick and weighs 290 grams. The device houses a massive 8350 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging support and reverse charging support. The phone is powered by the UNISOC T7200 octa-core processor, clocked at 1.6 GHz, and it's built on a 12nm process. It's not really powerful, but is expected to deliver efficient and responsive performance. And the phone runs on the Android 15 OS. I don't think it's going to get the Android 16. It's most likely stuck with the Android 15 operating system, guys. The phone has a compact 5.5-inch IPS HD+ display with 400 nits peak brightness and a resolution of 720 by 1440 pixels, and comes with wideband L1 support for HD streaming. Now you get 6GB of RAM with up to 18GB VRAM support and a spacious 256GB internal storage with support for up to 2TB via microSD. For photography, the device packs a 16MP AI main camera and a 20MP night vision sensor at its rear, and an 8MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. Now, security features includes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and face unlock support. Other highlights include NFC with Google Pay, a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is very nice, and top-tier durability with IP68, IP69K, and military-grade standard 810H ratings. And as I mentioned earlier, the device is sold for $250. So you get all of this for just $250. So these are the top features of the Doogee Fire 3 Max. What do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. And as I mentioned earlier, it's a very cheap compact device, and I think I'll be making a video mentioning some of the best compact and affordable rugged phones of 2025. So make sure to subscribe if you're interested. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.